Sulfur clouds are described as toxic, uninhabitable, corrosive, deadly, but sulfur does not appear after a planet dies. It appears when a planet is still protecting itself. Sulfur compounds are light, lighter than carbon dioxide. Easier to loft, easier to spread. Volcanism injects sulfur upward, where it forms a continuous cloud layer. This happens before the atmosphere stabilizes. Sulfur clouds reflect radiation, ultraviolet, charged particles. Solar plasma. This reflection reduces surface stripping and slows atmospheric loss. Without sulfur, Venus would have lost its gases long ago. Sulfur clouds do not only reflect, they also trap heat. They create a thermal buffer, preventing rapid cooling and violent temperature swings. This stabilizes chemistry below the cloud deck. Sulfur is not waste. Sulfur is essential for proteins, enzymes, and metabolism. Every living system on Earth uses sulfur. Venus has it in abundance. Before a planet can host life, it must survive the star. Sulfur clouds are not failure, they are armor.